So guys, welcome to my channel Xbox F error. So how to resolve this different error they are facing. So guys, first sync your time to date. Okay, click to start and type control panel. Then open view by category. Select this one, clock and season, date and time. Click to internet network, change setting, and this is officially sites. Okay, so select this and then click to update. And this is synchronize the timing like time.windows.com on this, and then click to OK and then apply and then close it. Next guys, check your internet connections. So troubleshoot, so click to start, go to setting, then click to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and this is network. Click on the run. Okay, run and then wait some minutes. If you like getting some error, and Windows will be reset your services like that. Okay, then close. Next, check Windows update. So click to start, again go to setting, Windows update, last one, and click on check for update. So if it is showing some KB series and Windows update, your system drivers also, so first download and install it. Okay, run. Next, clean store cache. So guys, click to start and type run, type ws reset and then click OK. Okay, then automatically, then close it. This is completed. Next, repair or reset a Xbox app from Microsoft. Click to start, go to setting, then click to app, then install app, find out Xbox. But guys, mute with some seconds now. Yeah, now perfect. Xbox, click to three dot, and same method follow on the Xbox Live. Then click to reset, then click to repair, and then terminate. After that, close it. Check next service, check relevant service. Okay, so click start, type services.msc. You can type only service and right click to run as administrator. So scroll down, last. Okay. So first one, Windows update. Okay, Windows backup, Windows audio, a Windows update. Double click, select manual automatic, and then apply and OK. Same, scroll down, open expository, start, select automatic, apply and OK. Then this one, first of automatic, then start, apply, OK. Start, apply and OK. Last this one, automatic, start, apply and OK. And then close it. Then guys, next method, last. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.